So can I have a clap for yourself, everybody? Come on. Okay. You guys are at the premises of Bury English Academy. A place, a space where not only your English, but your personality, your communication, your behavior, your soft skills, and your entire personality is improved. The purpose of this academy is not just to train your English language, but it is to improve your holistic personality. And just for doing that, we always come up with something with such experiences which you have not witnessed so far. And we love such kind of pedagogies, such kind of activities, so that you can experience it and you can get such kind of changes in your personality. In this session, what is going to happen here? You all are going to fight for your individuality. Here are students from different batches, from different space, from different places. But right now, you guys are going to prove your individuality. So there are certain rules and regulations that you guys have to make sure that everybody is requested to perform, because this is not a place to judge you. It is not a competition. It is just an activity. And this activity has been organized so that you can build some amount of confidence and you can gain something different. Because when you speak in front of different people, you get different kind of exposure, and that helps you building some other kind of qualities. So right now I'm going to present a topic in front of you, and you all will be requested to place your opinions on that. Everybody is allowed to speak in English only. Nobody is going to misbehave, use your phone. And if you guys want to speak, so you will raise your placards. Okay? So I want everybody to speak and just give their best. So the topic which I'm going to present to here, that what do you think in this, looking at the present scenario of this nation called India, looking at this present scenario, this India, what do you think? Should we really believe that India is developing, or it is just a myth? I hope you know the meaning of myth. Yes. Means it is just an illusion. It is not happening, but it is seeming like that. मतलब ऐसा दिख रहा है. It is looking like that. It is only in the air. It is only in the air. Or it is on the ground. You simply have to give your opinion. Is that clear, everyone? Yes, sir. So you all have individual opinions. So all the very best. Here we go now. So may I have the first placard? Who would like to present their opinion here? The first placard. The first. Remember, guys, we are also going to invite and choose that who will be the best speaker here. Not whose English is going to be nice, but whose content, whose confidence will be praised up.
It is very important to understand that it's a country where you can have people who is earning more than crores in a day, and there are some people who is earning only 100 rupees in a day. In a country where you can have a very vast difference among a politician and a poor person, we cannot say that country is developing in this nation. I'll say that we have got a nation where females are allowed to, worship. They always are worshipped by many people, by their homes. But they are not even allowed to go out after 6. I understand this point that we have to be proud for few moments, for few things of our nation. But even we cannot ignore this difference of people over this economy, over this discrimination. And the most important part is that India is developing very, very slow, which is not needed now. We need, and youngsters, we need the country which is developing very fast, not this much slow we could go.
The person who will be the last one who is going to speak up. So you will raise your placards and that person will only give you the chance.
So according to me, nowadays India is very developing country, because that in the previous time India is not developed in a single day, but nowadays India is very fastest growing country in this world, and India is a fifth economy in this world. Like there are so many things like infrastructure. It is a very important to all of us, because if you go to anywhere, it is a very helpful for us. And second is like there are so many schemes like Vande Bharat, PM Awas Yojana. It is a very important for us, because if you have no time, so that's you should go to Vande Bharat train, because it is a very fastest train in this country.
I think that development where half of the country is thinking about waiting for the basics, development where tradition turns into technology and culture turns into trend. I don't think this is called the development.
According to me, as we know that India has the largest economy in the India, and it is developing very faster. And India is developing very faster. It is not a myth. I really believe that because as we know that we achieved we achieved big achievement in 2023. It's called Chandrayaan 3. It is a very good for us. It is a very proudable moment for us. And India is developing in sports, in technology also. So I think India is developing day by day so much.
Well, what I think so, it is truly that the development of India is a myth. Let me tell you, air purifiers are out of sale, out of stock. Do you know why? Because of pollution. Rich people have buy all of them, and this is the result. Out of stock air purifier. So this is the development of India. Well, it is just a myth, because let me tell you, industrial gap, like infrastructure gap, which are very big thing in India, and pollution, then environmental issues, then we have health issues, and let me tell you, the youth, it is called Youngistan. Do you know why? Because the most of the population is young, and let me tell you, these population are just in these population are in the capture of drugs. Let me tell you, 16 or you can say 20% of the young people are drinking cigarettes, then alcohol, then we have many drugs. Tobacco they are eating. So this is the development of India. Well, I called it is just a myth. Even I'm very it is true that Shagun has said cultures has become trend. That is very good. Even young people are in fashion only. No sense of how to wear, no sense what to eat, what not to eat, no sense of what to wear, no sense of what to not wear. So this is our India, and it is just a myth. So it is truly that India development is just a myth. It is just for saying. Bye.
According to me, India's developing is depend on person how they are looking it. As you see, our younger, like our Gen Zs, they are making it and they are doing it because they don't have civic sense. And if they want to develop the India, they need to take education and they need to be confident. Because when you see that someone, they are very underconfident and they feel very bad to say something to the someone. And here in India, there are some people who are ready to judge everyone, and they always judge and discriminate the people basis of the color and education and height, like everything. They are a judge. If they want to improve, so they need to get education.
Guys, there is a huge difference between improvement in charters and development in reality. We have to particularly look at how our nation is developing. As Dia mentioned that there are many development facilities in our country. For an example, Vande Bharat, which is one of the fastest metro, we can say, train. Yeah. Firstly, you have to understand that everybody cannot afford that. A very little amount of our population, I can say 0.1% of the people can afford that. And then what will happen with those people who can just only spend their very less amount of money? Now let's come up to the second point. As Pooja Didi said that we have launched Chandrayaan 3. I truly appreciate our country has been developing, and it's a very good step to take towards space or technology. But even we have to look at the poverty of India. We have to look at the economy of India, which is increasing. As one of us said that India has the third largest economy. I agree with this point, but we have to look at the population of India, which is still increasing. 140 crore plus people are living in India. It should be the first largest economy, but still we are on third. There is no problem in it. But you have to even look at that, are we still developing the way we should develop? Now let us come to, one of us said, Nikita I think said that, somebody said that India's people, we have to even look at the mentality, is it good or not? People are responsible. A country is made of people only. A person, a government officer who is working in a government office, that is also a person, means a native of India. If we guys are thinking of doing something, so we all are responsible for that, not only government, not only people. And let's come up to the government. Government is it is an administration which work on a case after 2 years of that case, right? It is a part of our country which says, means there is a article you might have listened, right to equality, which is one of the best article of our constitution. Right to equality is implemented, but there is no way to see that. So if we are developing, so there is a difference between improving in a notebook or developing in reality. That's my point.
Right. Wait, there's one more thing here. See, first of all, whosoever is just taking the name of people or you are inviting it, do give the chance first to that person who hasn't got. Because here we are not leading a competition. Here we are just here to improve. So everybody should be given the chance at least. And there's a twist that I will be revealing right now. So Nidhi, please guys, raise your black cards, everybody. Nidhi.
Ankit, that boy.
Ankit.
So, if we talk about the development or developing of India, so I will first state the coin has two faces. So, if we talk about the developing of India is a limited region, like the topic of cancer above. Like very few states have a development, but we can talk about the Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar, and many regions of the Uttar Pradesh are getting not development. The development it's only limited on the very limited regions. So. And if the back of developing our youth, it's getting slowly far away from our culture and our tradition. This slowly attracted our Western or foreign cultural attractment. So it is not good for our tradition or culture. Thank you.
Right. Raise your black cards, everybody. One more thing. You are openly allowed. You can take someone's name, and if you do not agree with someone's point, if you are at odds with someone's points, you can simply take that person's name. That let's say Ankit. Sorry, Ankit, but I don't stand by your opinion. You can simply take that person's name. Okay, everybody? So, whom would like to begin?
Mehak.
Mehak. Where's Mehak? With the mic, please. Where's Mehak?
I really agree with this.
Louder, Mehak.
I strongly agree with this statement. India's development is just a myth, because today we are looking only the climate change, global warming, pollution. It's happening only. And what about the development? Development is not visible. So I don't think India's development is India is developing country.
Okay. One more thing, guys. Try to be clear. For example, a topic says that, is India developing or the development is myth? So make sure, your core is clear. That I strongly believe that India is developing, and I do stand by it. But for me, that India's development is a myth. Whatever you want to say that. Guys, raise your black cards. Meg, the myth.
According to me, India is developing country because generally we see in our Delhi, our metro is also running by own self with the help of AI and so many intelligence also. And I think India is not like a so much developed country, but it's developing slowly because we need so much work hard in our country.
As you all said that India is not developing. India is developing. If you see the healthcare system, so it's developing. When you see there are any kind of emergency, so any time you can go anywhere by the vehicle, by using like online apps also. It's become the very common because of the improvement. And if I'm talk about the healthcare system, so there are some people who come from the outside country for the medicine, because Indian healthcare system is very cheap and very easy to go and take medicine.
Next.
Ankit.
Guys, I request everybody to speak, please. Show cooperation, show your initiation, do not feel afraid. Yes.
So, India is a developing country, so our government or our minister say India will develop on the 2047 or 2050. It's a vision of our government, but I completely deny this point, because if the Indian government have any plan of this type of situation, so we have any data, any website, we can see what the goal of the every year plan of a government, what should be done in this year or this year when we develop in 2050. But you can't find Google, ChatGPT, nothing you find Indian government any website to say that we can do this year, this plan to develop our India in 2050. It is a completely myth. So India will develop in 2050 or 2047. I agree, India is developing, but it's a very limited region, not a very vast country like. But so if we talk about the development, its development happened, but in like a states of Gujarat, not a Delhi is very developed. So if we talk, see about the Indian people's eyes, Gujarat, UP is getting very developed. But you can see the other regions like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, they are not in a type of development. Metro is that very common in abroad, but India, it's a very used thing. Minister takes vote from the people. We can start at metro in our city, give vote, but it's not. So if we talk about development, India is developing, but on a limited region. Thank you.
According to me, India is developing day by day because of you, as you know that India's defense system is third largest defense system in whole world. Because of intelligence, and India's defense system is also increasing day by day. With thousands of youths join the Indian Army and join the Marcos also and Air Force also. And I really believe India is developing country.
Well, what I think, so my opinion is India is not a developing country because border, we can see border, but we cannot see what is inside that border. We can go to space, but we cannot go to the deep land. We cannot just we cannot just point out what the land is. Let me tell you, if I have a debate between city versus village, most people will choose village. Do you know why? Because it is so peace, it is so calm, it is so greenery. But let me tell you, in village there is no metro station, there is no train station, there is not even Wi-Fi, even there is not a single bus stop. So this you call development? Even we can just see development in cities. Why? It is just a discrimination that we can only see development in cities, not in village. Why? It is just a big question I have with government. Why? It is such a big question. So let's just leave that point. Now pollution, health improvement. Someone just say India do not have civil sense. It is true. Because in Diwali, let me tell you, 100 people were in the AIMS, 100 people were in the private hospitals. Do you know why? Because they do not know how to burst crackers. Well, crackers, I just I just remember crackers. We do not have any civil sense how to burn crackers. You are just burning an hour on different way. The way that culture is just coming, it is just a trend. We just burn crackers just for a fun. But this is just burning. These people are just burning. Do you know why? Just go to AIMS. Just go in private hospitals. Now, a health wave.
Okay. So, all right, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Did you guys enjoy? Yes, sir. That was an amazing session, and I hope you have witnessed it something different. I'm standing here, but I can see your energy and your vibe. And I would like to conclude this session. First of all, I'd like to appreciate each one of you sitting from that corner to this corner, from that corner to this corner. You all performed. My motive was not to organize any competition, but it was just to put you in a kind of a pedagogy where you can experience something that you have never experienced before. And this was that. And this is what Bury English Academy looks like. We always come up with something that you have not experienced so that it can add a different value and you can polish up yourself. So in today's session, everybody spoke, everybody performed, and you were unique, you were special. Each one of you tried to step out of your comfort zone. Some of the students were so confident, some of them were not confident, but later they became confident. Some of them presented very well, some of them were so informative, some of them counted very well, some of them expressed very well. So please clap for yourself, everyone. That was enough.